Hello everyone and welcome back for another Salesforce tips video. And today I would like to talk about a shortcut using a Google Chrome extension that I found pretty handy, especially when you do have a lot of repetitive tasks within the setup. So the Google Chrome extension is called Why Salesforce. It's been made by our friend and active member of the Salesforce community, Warren Walters. So thank you, Warren. And this is how it looks like within your org. Let me open my setup under Lightning, obviously. And what I like to do is set up a shortcut to access the flows instantly just within a click. So what you want to do is copy the URL starting from the /lightning, and then you want to open your Chrome extension while Salesforce, add a new one, let's call it flow with some emoji, and save this. Another one we could do, let's go with profile. Again, you want to grab the URL from /lightning, open your Chrome extension, add a new one, you call this profile, and paste the URL. Save this, and let's reload the page. And now, as you can see at the top, you have those new additional tabs, pretty handy. Just click on it and it will take you straight to the setup without having to always type in the name of the function you're looking for. Hopefully you will get something out of this, and see you into the next video.